In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your email domain on Shopify in 2025. This is an important step to ensure that emails such as order confirmations and marketing emails get delivered directly to your customers' inboxes, rather than being lost in spam folders. By authenticating your domain, you'll build trust and improve deliverability rates, which is crucial for any online business. Let's dive into the process and make sure your domain is properly authenticated. First, you'll want to choose an email hosting provider that is reputable and aligns with your business needs. Options like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail are popular choices amongst many e-commerce businesses. Once you've selected your email host, set up your custom email address. This will be your professional point of contact, making communications with your customers look well-managed and reliable. Then, it's time to verify your domain with this chosen email provider. This step is crucial. It will typically involve logging into your email host service and following their domain verification instructions, which adds a layer of security and authenticity. Next, you'll need to verify your domain with Shopify itself. Do this by accessing your Shopify admin panel. It's a straightforward process. Head over to the settings section and look for notifications. Once there, you'll see an option to authenticate your domain. Click on Authenticate Your Domain, and you'll be guided through the steps. Once you've completed the Shopify side verification, it's time to add DNS records, which authenticate your emails. These DNS records, namely SNAMEs and TXTs, are vital. They effectively tell other servers about the authenticity of your email, providing a digital handshake that says, "Yes, these messages are coming from my verified domain." For this part, follow the instructions provided both by Shopify and your email hosting provider. The DNS settings can be found in your Shopify domain settings and may require logging into your domain registrar's control panel, where you'll add the necessary records. After successfully adding these DNS records, you might need to go back to your email hosting services dashboard to activate or verify your email address. This extra step is often required to finalize the setup, making sure everything is correctly configured for sending and receiving emails. With everything set up, you should test your email setup. Send a test email from your newly authenticated domain to confirm everything's working as anticipated. If your test email arrives without a hitch, congratulations! You've successfully authenticated your email domain on Shopify. By completing these steps, you've secured your email communications and improved the deliverability of your messages. Now your order confirmations and marketing emails are more likely to arrive in your customers' inboxes as intended. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.